Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this pretty fuzzy image of Dr. Martin Luther King, and I think it's going to grade great. I've already done it twice, just kind of seeing what I could do. But we're going to take this graphic, and I've already made a copy of it in the size they sent it to me. And I'm keeping it small because I want it to be small. I think it helps Corel trace. So I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace, Clip Art. It's going to take just a second. I think it helps Corel do it faster and better. Now, the problem that people are having that sent this to me, they're telling me about this line. That line is not a problem. You can see it when you move it. Well, we're going to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. And we're going to go in and the line, is it really there? But it is. So let's go to Wireframe View. And there's the line. Because it's apart, we can take that line and hit delete. There's actually two lines on top of each other. Now I can go back to view and enhance. Now, Dr. King has some things in there I want to remove, but he's also got some gray that I want to either remove or keep. So instead of trying to delete all the letters, I've got my nudge factor set on 1 inch. I'm going to move Dr. King over. Now we've lost some of his facial expressions or facial features, and I'm going to move these over. And you'd want to go back and look. I mean, his ear looks good, because we've removed the gray. I think, it's not a perfect picture to begin with. It's a character graphic type deal. I think we've already got it. Now, this is not his hand. This is something on his sleeve that I would want removed. So I'm going to take the shape tool and I'm going to delete these nodes. Delete these nodes. And it got rid of that out of the jacket. Now the other hard part, and I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this trash. The other hard part is getting this the same way because it's so close to our border. Well, my nudge factor is still set on 1 inch. I'm going to nudge these out of the way to 1 inch. I could do the bottom, but I don't have to. I'm going to take the shape tool now and select as much as I can and hit delete. I've got still quite a bit of nodes down here. I'm going to go through here and hit delete. I've only got, there's like 3 nodes on top of each other and 2 nodes. Then I'm going to select both those. I'm going to right click and turn them into a line. While I'm here, I'm going to take his jacket and click on it and just kind of smooth out his jacket a little bit. I probably should have moved my nodes back over first, but now we can take the shape tool and grab all of our, I don't remember moving those nodes, but I guess I did. Maybe I hit something. Maybe I can just hit delete. Maybe instead of hitting delete, I moved them. Yeah, I must have just moved them when I did that. So that looks pretty good. Now the other thing I would be concerned with would be his hand. His fingers look a little funky. So let's grab the smoothing tool this time. And that's about the right shape. I want to grab the black, and I'm just trying to make his fingers not quite as rough. I don't know what this stuff is in the middle, but we can kind of move it down. There is what I call a whoop-de-doo that we need to get rid of, and the easiest way is take the shape tool and delete those nodes and grab both those nodes, right click and turn them into a line. I think we're good to go. I think it's a great graphic of a great man. And that would look so well on wood because it's this type, and you might want to play with his lip a little bit. Let's see how the lip looks on this one. Yeah. You might want to look at some of those gray graphics that I moved But because it's not a photograph, it's just, this would engrave, and everything in black is gonna be engraved, everything in yellow is gonna be wood, or tile, or vinyl, or, whatever you're doing it on. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.